Hey there, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet, and I'm back with another fun Dollar Tree tutorial. In today's video, I'm sharing how you can make your own Santa snack plate with sublimation, so let's get started. For this project, you will need a wood decor round from Dollar Tree and glitter HTV. I'm using HTV brand. First, we'll remove the tag and cut the vinyl to size. You'll want to make sure that the shiny side is up, then flip it over to secure the vinyl to the wood with heat-resistant tape. We're going to press it at 330 degrees for 40 seconds. Don't forget the butcher paper to protect the pressing mat and heat plate. We're going to cut the excess vinyl with a craft knife. Remove the carrier sheet and sand the edges as needed. I printed the Santa plate design on 2 pieces of paper to fit the wood round. Now I'm lining them up and taping them together. We're going to sublimate at 380 degrees to 40 to 50 seconds. Don't forget the butcher paper and heat-resistant tape. Remove the paper and there you have it. Isn't it adorable? I love this glitter and it's perfect for Christmas Eve. I've linked the design below. The bundle has several to pick from so you can make it your own. I hope you will try out this project and please let me know what you think by commenting below. Be sure to subscribe for more weekly videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.